If you never walked on a rainy day in Germany before, today is your lucky day. We're gonna walk in the rain. Do you like rain? The air is so fresh. I love it when it's like this, cloudy day settings on the camera. I'm excited to see this later on the computer, what this setting looks like. Germany lost the game yesterday. Against the British people. I like the sound of the rain. I can sleep with this very well in the night when I hear this drops. I like the drop sound. This is the place where you bring your parents when they are too old. But you have to pay for this. I want to show you a school from history. Let's see if we can see old people hanging around the windows. The Berlin bear. They are everywhere in Berlin. No matter where you are, they will be there. Berlin. Yes, this is a small village in Berlin. It don't look like Berlin actually, but it is Berlin. It's called Zehlendorf. You can type it in on Google and search for some information about this place. Here's the historical school. It was a school for boys and girls separated in classes. So not all together, only boys and only girls. The right side is only for boys and the left side is only for girls. As you can read, Knabenschule. It's like a boys' school. Looks very nice. And here, Mädchenschule, girls' school. A girl on the left side, a boy on the right side. I like how the German buildings look like. Watch this detail. Schule startet, Verkehr wartet. It means like school is starting, traffic has to wait. Yes, something like that. And feel free to post me some comments so I can check out your channel and give you also a comment in your comment section. We can help us together, no matter where you are from. India, Colombia, Africa, you're all welcome. So let's build a network. In the future I will do much better videos, I can promise. But now it's Corona time and it's not easy with traveling around. You need always a COVID test and you have to go in quarantine. Yeah, that's how it is. But I'm fine. Are you fine? I hope so. Oh, here. Here's the sport place of the school. And they are playing football and running around and volleyball, stuff like that. Oh, many pigeons on this place. I don't know if you can see that. A nice big place to do sports. Oh, I enjoy these sounds. Oh, there's something on the lens. A raindrop. Here's another house where you can bring your parents when they are too old to care of themselves. So yeah, bring them here and they will take care of them. Seniorenhaus. When you have dement parents or something like that. Nice cough. Okay, my battery is nearly empty. I forgot to charge that. So, see you next time. Let's feel the rain. Yeah. What's up, my little budgie? Come here. Oh, he's on my head now.